Hello and welcome to ABAP Coding for Beginners with tricks and examples. And this is handling data. In this lecture, we will cover selecting data from our tables, usage of internal tables and work areas, and some internal table operations like loop, append, collect, modify, insert, and delete. First, I'll go to SM30 to fill our previously created table with some data. I press new entries and I enter document number, payment, date, amount, and currency, and another one, and an explanation. Now, I saved my data. Now we go to SA38. I'll just go to SA38 with this notation. With writing this code /n before your transaction lets you go to that transaction directly without exiting from the current transaction. Now, we already created our Hello World program. We press change. And now I cleared everything. It's a clean program. Now let's try to select our data without declaring any variable. Now it says a target area must be declared either explicitly with an int clause or implicitly with a table statement. Now to do that, you either declare a variable or use the table itself for a structure, declaring like this. Still, it says you need to do that with select and select. By writing here and select, it creates a loop. It will select all the data one by one inside this loop. If you write a logic here, you will see all the data selected are go through that logic. Let's write here a write statement that we learned already. And execute our code. You see, we have all the data in our database table. Let me show you. You see document numbers. We have 3 document numbers and we have 3 document numbers here. Also, let us write one more area. And also currency. And you see it just passes my line and it just automatically puts it to a new line. You see, we have all our data. This is select and select statement, but I don't advise you to use this statement. It will make your programs slower. Don't forget this. If you are working with database tables, your programs will be slower. You should work with internal tables in the memory.